Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you one of the iPhone hidden feature, and it's the vehicle motion cue. So first, open the settings and accessibility. Now go into the motion and show vehicle motion cues. You can click the automatic or on. I'll click on to show you better. And now the dots appear near the edges of your iPhone screen. They follow the movements of your vehicle and may help reduce motion sickness. Let me just show you real quick. So when I shake my phone a little, you can see that the dots are in the other place, and now they slowly come back to their places. Oh, it was too fast for you to see. Yeah, now maybe. And now they're back. It's hard to show you this, but they're now out of the place and they should come back to its original state in just a second. Or maybe I need to shake them more. And now they're back. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.